Welcome back, loves. I have a super fun video for you tonight, something a little different. I'm going to be sharing with you how to have the most epic movie night. We're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. First things first, if you're doing this for a group of friends or family members, I definitely recommend making your space inviting and also prepping the morning or the night before watching the movie. If you have a really big couch, then you're set. You just want to bring out some cozy blankets and pillows, and you're good to go. Also, set the AC up like they do in the movies to make it all cozy. So you cannot have movie night without food and drinks. So I thought it was a good idea to make jello shots made with the limes and lemons. Now you can make a non-alcoholic jello shot or with alcohol depending on your crowd. And here we have just the jello with the water, and also going to store this overnight. So when you're doing this, think about prepping the night before the actually movie, so you want to make sure it comes out correct. In my opinion, the next most important thing is finding a great movie that everyone will enjoy. Set up your station and find your treats, your knickknacks that you will be eating during the movie. The next step will be to light candles to set the ambience, but you don't want to light anything that's potent because you don't want to take away the aroma of the popcorn and food that you will be eating. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little movie night setup. I hope it inspires someone and motivate you guys to make your own movie night very soon. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.